So evaporation is the process where liquids change to a gas or vapour. Evaporation occurs when the particles in the liquid, for example water, have been heated and it's caused their particles to become looser or freer. Now these particles leave the surface of the liquid and evaporate into the air. So there are different factors that will affect the rate of evaporation. That means how quickly it happens or how much it happens. So these factors are things like the surface area of the liquid and the temperature, and if there's any wind present at all. Evaporation increases with an increase in surface area. So the bigger the surface area, the more evaporation. This is because the large surface area that's exposed to the air means that more molecules can escape into the air. And if there's any wind moving over the water or the land surface, that can also help to carry any of the water vapour, essentially drying the air, and leads to an increased evaporation rate. Evaporation happens naturally every single day. For example, after it rains, the puddles may form, and these will then dry up by being evaporated over the course of the day. And similarly, once you've mopped the floor, it won't stay wet for long because it will evaporate.